Good day to everyone. In this video, we shall see about the topic called authorization. You can see this authorization option in the Postman tool. In the Postman tool, the authorization is done to verify the eligibility of an user to access a resource in the server. There could be the multiple APIs in a project, but their access can be restricted only to certain authorized users. The process of authorization is applied for the API which are required to be secured. This authorization it is done for identification and to verify if the user is entitled to access the server resource or not. This is done within the authorization tab in the Postman. You can see here we have an option called authorization. Here below that you can see we have a type and we have a drop down there. There are various types of authorization options which you can see now. You can see we have various types of authorization options. Let us now create a post request with the API from GitHub developer having an endpoint www.api.github.com/user/repos. In the Postman tool, click on the body and then select the option raw and then choose the JSON format. You can see here I have shown it in this picture. I have highlighted which are all the options we need to select. And in the body part, you can add the following request. Now when you click on send, the response code which is obtained will be 401, that is unauthorized. That means we need to pass authorization to use this resource. In order to authorize, select any option from the type drop-down within the authorization tab. We have so many types of authorization. Let us discuss some of the important authorization types, namely bearer token and the basic authentication. What is this bearer token? For bearer token authorization, we have to choose the option bearer token from the type drop-down. After this, the token field it gets displayed, which needs to be provided in order to complete the authorization. So in order to get the token from the GitHub API, first we need to log into the GitHub account. Then after logging in, click on the upper right corner of the screen and select the setting options. Now select the option developer setting and then next click on the personal access tokens. After that, click on generate new token button. Now provide a note and select option repo. Then click on generate token at the bottom of the page. Finally, a token gets generated. Now copy this token and paste it within the token field under the authorization tab in the Postman tool. After that, click on send. Now you can see the response code of 201 will be obtained, which means that the request is successful. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of our updates or videos. Thank you.